Good morning, Flyers, and welcome back to the Early Bird. I'm your host, Riv Yarmaloff, and alongside me, as always, you know him, it's Shay Curry.
What's up, Flyers?
We have an amazing episode for today. We've got another guest worm in the stew. It's gonna be a great episode, so let's roll the intro. Coming off a hot win over Natick over the weekend, the boys' swim team seeks to conquer the water once again with a competition against Ashland tonight. Excuse me, that's Brookline tonight. They already beat Ashland on Monday. Here in the studio to talk about the team's recent success is senior captain Bryce Casey. Bryce, thanks for coming on the show. How Wednesday morning?
Pretty good.
Okay, that's fantastic to hear. So talk to me. What's up with the team's recent success? You guys had a huge win over Natick last week, and then you also beat Ashland on Monday. What's up? Like, what's been going on? How's this pace been going for you guys?
We're feeling pretty confident. We're picking up the pace. Practice is going good. We had a week off because of COVID.
Right.
We're back from that. We're feeling pretty strong, confident.
So last week at the Natick, so you guys won overall the Natick meet. But tell me about the swim, the T-shirt competition. Is this like a tradition between the towns?
Yeah. So every year, the seniors for our senior meet do a T-shirt relay. The teams or the relays are consisted of all the seniors from each team.
Okay.
And it's always just a lot of fun, and we do it every year.
And you lost this year.
Yeah, so we lost. We were too busy focused on winning the meet, I think, that we actually just ended up losing the T-shirt relay.
Well, one's actually important, so
right.
You walk away with the dub. So, it's getting pretty close to the end of the season. What are some of your personal goals for your team as the postseason approaches, and what are some of the team goals for the postseason?
Some of the team goals are that we want as many people to qualify for states and sectionals as possible, because we think we have a really good shot. Some of my personal goals is going under 56 seconds in the 100 backstrokes.
56 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh my, that's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Who's an underclassman you think deserves more credit for their role on the team this year?
I would say Sam Shee, because he's really versatile. He's helped us out a lot. He is always there when we need him. He's always swimming the best he can, and he's a great kid.
So, Brookline tonight.
Yeah.
Hard competition, or is it going to be light work?
Well, so we do this thing called a battle board every year. On our battle board, we score out the meet, how we think it's going to go. Our battle board came out that we're going to lose, but we have some points we're going to try and pick up. We're going to try and beat them.
Oh, good luck tonight. Tell them when and where to show up tonight.
It's at Keefe Tech at 6:15.
Bryce Casey, the senior captain of the swim team, thank you for coming on the show.
Of course.
Now live in the studio with the pledge is senior captain Bryce Casey.
This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Bryce. That's all for today's episode of The Early Bird. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to watch it again, you can find it on our YouTube or our Instagram bio at Framingham High Studios. Tonight also, if you don't want to watch swimming, you can come watch wrestling here at the high school, 6 o'clock under the light against Brookline as well. Some competition against the Flyers sports. Have a great day, Flyers. Remember, the early bird gets the worm.